In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shape dividers in your Wix website. Shape dividers are a fantastic way to add a creative touch to your web design, creating a visually appealing transition between sections. Whether you're using Wix Editor or the newer Wix Studio, incorporating shape dividers can really help your website stand out and engage your audience more effectively. So, let's dive into the process and see how you can do it easily yourself. To begin, open your Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Once there, take a moment to assess the section you want to enhance with a shape divider. Hover your cursor over the desired section until you see it highlighted. This preview will help you to ensure that you're working in the right area. The next step is to click on the section background or strip to properly select it. This action readies the section for customization, allowing you to move on to the fun part, adding that eye-catching shape. With your section selected, you'll now need to locate the option to alter its design. In Wix Editor, you'll see the option labeled as Change Section Design. From there, look for Add Shape Divider. If you're working in Wix Studio, you'll find the necessary controls under the Inspector panel. Once you've found your way to the shape dividers, it's time to decide exactly where you want your new look to appear. You have two main choices. You can position your shape divider at the top of the section, giving your viewers a delightful introduction, or place it at the bottom, creating a seamless exit as they scroll down the page. Now comes the creative part, choosing your shape. Wix offers a diverse selection of built-in shapes that provide different vibes and aesthetics. You definitely want to consider the overall look you're aiming for. Perhaps you'd like a soft touch with gentle waves, or maybe something more dynamic like a zigzag. Other options include triangles, diagonal lines, and curved lines. Pick what speaks to your style and aligns with your brand. After browsing through these options, simply click on the shape that captures your interest. Instantly, you'll see it appear at the edge of your selected section, and your design will transform before your eyes. If you're not quite satisfied, you can easily experiment with different shapes until you find the perfect match for your website's aesthetic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have mastered using shape dividers to enhance your Wix website. These creative touches can dramatically increase the visual appeal and professionalism of your site, leaving a lasting impression on visitors. Enjoy the process, let your creativity flow, and happy designing.